How to download Reddit videos for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to download Reddit videos for absolutely free. You can use this method to download videos on any device, whether it be a computer or a smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to navigate to the video that you are going to be downloading. Imagine it is this video that I wish to download. Okay, so the first step that we have to do is that we have to copy the link to this video. So for that, we are going to be going into the share button and we're going to be clicking on it. As you can see, the link has been copied. Now you have to navigate into this website known as rapidsave.com. I'm going to be leaving a link down below in the description for the same website. Once you're inside this website, you have to paste the link that you just copied and you have to click on download. You will be redirected into this page. You have to scroll down and click on download HD video. And as you can see, the video has been successfully downloaded into the PC. So this is how you can easily download Reddit videos inside of your computer. If you like the video, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a wonderful day.